Okay, quick Monday morning radar update. So we've got a gap down this morning. The orange man over the pond has thrown his toys out the pram again. So bit of a sort of heavy day across the board on stocks, but you know, if you're weighted quite heavily in the precious metals, being the best growth stocks out there for 2 years, and basically being the best trends out there, and I suppose the on a to a lesser extent the defense stocks are doing okay as well. You know, they haven't been trending like the gold stocks, have they? But not the whole group anyway. And if you're in those, or you're in a couple of stocks that have had some pretty good reports this morning, you're having a pretty good day. And over at Trading Bases, it's a pretty good day today. If they close the market right now, I would be very happy. Come back next week. So I'm just going to hit the up on day screen when it's ready. When the market's tanking, we go looking for the corky stocks. Defense, construction, SRC. Yeah, you know, been riding this one a long time. Bit of a sloth, bit of, you know, trends take time. Got to let them do their thing. A few utilities in the mix there. Let's just buzz through these. And these are just what's up on the day. And ANP, another one, obvious growth stock. It's kind of it's told us all that it's doing well. You know, it's told us that prior that it's told us it's doing well, and it's told us it's going to beat this morning. So, you know, there's a reason that's gapped up quite strongly. I got knocked out of this one already. I know at my group, the people who are using my my trend trailing method are still in it. I got knocked out because I took a couple of stocks similar at the same time, and I trailed the heat on both of them, and I got knocked out right on the lows. Just a scratch trade, and but I have a position in this again. I'll just after this bit of loose action here, I'll just go through the basics. You've got this little base breakout here within this bigger base pattern. This first pullback here, you've got a breakout here, and you know we've got a swing day here as well. Oh, all of these, you know, you might say, well, that's not very good, is it? You know the old thing I always roll out. The best don't pull back, don't give you a first pullback. The best just trends. So this is, you know, a good setup. This is a good setup. This is a good setup. And if it moves above here, I will be adding to it. So if it rolls over and dies, I will be cutting it. Time will tell. No crystal balls. So move on from that. We'll keep going. See what else is in an interesting area this morning. Gemfields, not seen that one in a long time, have we? One of the big winners for me back in 2011. This one got looks like a loss maker, but who knows? It might be expected to post a profit. I haven't read. So many precious metals have been trending for a long time, what we've been riding, and they're up at highs today. And there's another one, PAF. So I'll just buzz through these. My phone's pinging in the background. I'll quickly have a look at the volume leaders, and I'll keep it short and sweet. You know, we know the trends, where the trends are. We're looking for emerging trends in interesting stocks. And on volume this morning, industrial metals, a few aerospace, precious metals, and just a general mix. So I'll leave it there. See what shows up on the end of day screens this evening.